What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from NIYS. This is my 6th day here in Cartagena. It's supposed to be a actually shorter trip. Stuff happened that I couldn't even control. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm chalking everything up to experience. And more early enough, got my walk on so I don't get hit with them hagglers that be looking for tourist people like me. Of course, I stand out because I try not to speak. I don't have the traditional Colombian hairstyle. So this is what I noticed, right? Oh look, everybody's going to work. Cool. Buenos días. Notice, right? For the most of the men, right? Like, I would say somewhere around like the boys up to like adolescent age, like 20s, not beyond 30s, they have mohawk hairstyles. You can always tell Colombiano from there. I'm bald as a mofo, right? Because I'm bald, I stick out like a sore thumb, which is bald as well, you know what I'm saying? So, buenos días. Because of that, you know, I'm a target. They say, oh, they point at me, they start speaking English, I try to ignore them. I'd be like, "Gay?" To make sure I don't understand English. They try to start talking to me in Spanish. They're still trying to haggle me, bro. I can't run from these guys. It's real in these streets. But it's still good either way at the end of the day. Yeah, at the end of the day, bro. At the end of the day, it is what it is, man. People gotta eat. I'll be watching my pockets when I'm near these cats. So I'm just doing my morning stroll because I just have a lot to think about in terms of planning. Wow. So everybody starting their day. Maybe I should have left a little earlier. Oh, look at this. We got a professional school. Salazines? What the freak is that? Okay. Oh. I think I'm good so far. But yeah, I might be going the wrong way. Wrong way when actually needed. Yeah, this begins the real journey. I have no one to really speak on my behalf. Buenos días. I have no one to really speak on my behalf, and it's just straight up Nate with no internet. So Duolingo, whatever you taught me is going to be coming through right now. I think I just gave them free advertising, did I? Whatever. So let me just get on this wall. Really explain what happened. You know, it was like a roller coaster. I couldn't leave. So yeah, I'm probably going to document this. Not stranded, because I found this place to stay, but stuck in Colombia. Alright, there goes the wall. How do I climb upon it? Oh, I can go over there. Yeah, let's get this walk. Yeah, I can go over there. I love hearing them birds in the morning. Yeah, let's get this walk going. Dopeness. Okay. We got some dopeness going. Buenos días. Let's get that going. Please, it's too early to be haggling. Y'all should be sleeping right now. Shoot. Honestly, back in the States, I'd probably still be knocked out. Kid you not. It'd be like 10 o'clock my time, still knocked out. Right now, my time is 8:17 here, 7 o'clock back home. Bright and early. It probably might be that sun that early morning Colombian sun that be giving me that juice to get up and walk about. Kid you not. Alright, so one of the entry. Let's start over there. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. I don't know. Oh yeah, here's a little history. When I start getting up on there, I'm gonna start talking about a little bit of history from what I know about this wall. And I'm gonna do some in-depth research. Little cyclists. Love seeing cyclists, man. Anybody knows me, y'all know that I love bikes. I love cycling. That's 100%. We got the mini shops. They're starting to open up. Oh, I'm in the way. Okay. What we got here? The neighborhood, San Diego neighborhood. That's what it's called. Barrio de San Diego. Awesome. Alright. Cool. I think, honestly speaking, y'all, the best times to really explore the city, right? To explore Colombia in general. The best times, it has to be early morning when you know no one is out. Just as the sun is peaking. Just as you know the sun is peeking out, it's one of the best times to get out there and start just walking about. You don't have to deal with the hustlers, the hagglers. You don't have to deal with none of that. Oh snap, Colombian dragonfly. Okay. He doesn't like me. There we go. Colombian dragonfly. But yeah, this would actually have to be the best time to scale the wall, because no one won't bother you this early in the morning. Or I should say, no one should bother you this early in the morning. So here we go. This is the famous wall. I would say about 250 years ago. The reason why this is here, and let me get a little closer so you can see the cannons and stuff. Okay. Alright, you see these cannons? Well, before all these buildings were here. But this was a defense fort to fight against the pirates, believe it or not, that would come over shores. They also had this too when they brought slaves through. Of course, they wanted to fight other people that wanted to try to mess with their whatever have you. Mess with their community. You know, this was their defense. You know, it's the ancient cannons and stuff. I'm going to have to do some more research because I'm not too confident on that. But this is in fact their main armory, artillery, to fight against mainly the pirates that try to invade Cartagena. And this is Cartagena was actually the first spot. So Cartagena is the first spot, I think, in all Cartagena, Colombia is the first spot, I think, in all Latin America that the conquistadors came to. Correct me if I'm wrong. The conquistadors came, they settled here because, you know, it's a port city, you know what I'm saying? You got the water, you got the Caribbean Sea connected to other places of the Caribbean. Why not hit this place up and just make it a base? As far as the slave trade and like the African history, I just know that there's a lot of Africans up in here, and you know, we all share the same history. You know, we was brought over here by somebody else, and when we revolt and take over, we get our independence, so to speak. I think it's November, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm probably going to put this down below. I think it's November Second is a big celebration for most of the Afro-Colombiano, because that's when they revolted against the tyranny of the conquistadors, and the slaves became free people, so to speak. That's a little history about this area. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice view. I kid you not. That sun is really beaming in my face. Look at the stuff I've got, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is. Yeah. Now the thing is, now, where the heck am I gonna find? I don't even remember where I was last time. I need to find my mic muffler. I might end up walking over this entire thing. I just need to. Okay, where's the clock tower? I think I can navigate better that way. If I can find the clock tower, I can find where I was last. Because I'm looking for something I lost too. Oh snap, the day is starting. Oh sweat. Fishermen early in the morning. So early morning, you got the fishermen early in the morning. They usually got crab and everything else. No gracias. No gracias. We want you to buy stuff, but you gotta be like gracias and keep it moving. You see? So that's how it normally is. Take your pictures, keep it moving, because the hustle starts right now, starts early. You got your vlogging going. You can actually walk over there, and people know this is the spot. People really know this is the spot. You take multiple pictures over here, and people know this is the spot. It's really dope. Buenos dias. Alright. Let's people know. Yeah, see, he's really trying to make that buck. Can't blame the brother, man. Brother want to make his money. It begins early, man. So that's why you gotta be out here at the crack of dawn. My recommendation: crack of dawn, be out here. Crack of dawn, be out here. So I'm about to be doing something, yeah. Seems a little more professional. Yeah, honestly, looking at the map, it looks so far away, but it's not that deep. I don't know, man. Maybe it's because I've been walking in New York, but I think I've been walking. How long have I been walking? Watch. I don't know, 15 minutes. And look, that's the port where you get the boat, which just took off. It's 9:15. Yeah, the hustle and bustle of the morning time up in Cartagena around the wall. What the heck is it called again? Oh, you forgot. I just stuck out like a sore thumb. They're gonna come across the street. Let's see. Oh snap, I don't see him. Freak. You put your phone up, you don't say nothing. You put your phone up, you don't say nothing, they think you're one of them. You have your phone up, start recording, open your mouth, it's a wrap. They're gonna come after you. They won't come after you. So I'm just gonna capture some more tourists across. Let them haggle them, man. Leave me alone. I'm trying to get some of the architecture. You know? Trans-Caribbean. Caribbean. The smaller boats that take you other places. See, I was gonna go to the mud volcano. I don't got enough cash though to really do that trip. It's my last day, so I want to explore as much as I can. Should be my last day. Sometimes you just never know. I'm actually approaching the clock tower now. You know, they say that the best way to hide from your enemy is hide right in their face. Let's get it. Got some orange juice from one of the shops over there. Once again, y'all, this is Nate from NateInYoState. Thank you so much for watching. Yo, I'm trying to get some likes, yo. I just want to tell you, if you like this video, just drop that like, drop a subscription down there. I don't know why you're not subscribed already. Come on now, come on, man. Subscribe, hit that bell thingy right there, right? So you always get updates when Nate is in your state or in your country, Nate Worldwide. Just let me know, what do you think about the hagglers? What do you think about the situation? Is it COVID related, or is this something that it's been part of the culture? Is it something that they naturally do, or is it because of COVID has made them extra hungry? Just let me know what you think. What you think about the wall? What do you think about its history? Right? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section below. But once again, man, thank you so much for watching. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.